Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today we're going to make a couple hand towels using HTV and our Cricut Easy Press. So let's go ahead and get started. Over here on designbundles.net, these are the SVGs that I'm using in today's project. So I'm actually using this one right here as well as this one. Now there is a ton more to choose from. You can definitely put in, towel sayings or tea towel sayings. There's all sorts of ways to search this, but there is a ton of cute ones. So I'm going to go ahead and download these and bring you guys back over in Cricut Design Space. I'm actually going to go ahead and hit the upload button. I've already brought these in, so I'm going to click on this one as well as this one and hit insert images. So what I need to do is size these down. Now what I like to do for these tea towels, I like to stick around 9 inches tall and between 6 to 7 inches wide. So I definitely don't like to get no bigger than 7 inches. So what I'll do is I'll come over here and I'll actually change the height, and then that's usually how I get my width. So that's how I do that. Just like so. Now this one may be like 7.26 and that's totally fine. As you can see, they're already attached images. I don't have to come down here and attach anything. They're already ready to go. So let's go ahead and hit make it. And we're gonna hit mirror since we're working with the HTV, and that's it. We're gonna go ahead and hit continue. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my dial to iron on my Cricut Explore Air 2 and get these cut out. For today's project, I'm using flour sack towels, but you could definitely utilize whatever towels you would like. So what I'm going to do is unfold this and fold it in half, so that way I could figure out about where I want my design to be, which I want it right there in the center. So folding it in half and then right in the center. What you need to do is pull out all of that moisture. So you want to definitely go over all of the area that you think that you're going to possibly have your design on and get all of that moisture out, as well as getting those wrinkles down. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our design and figure out about where that center is and lay it down. Next up, we are ready to press down our design with our Cricut Easy Press. I'm using the 6x7 today, so I'm actually going to have to do it in 3 different motions here, and I did 315 for 20 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel this while it's hot, and then I'm going to flip it over and I'm actually going to press it for another 15 seconds. This is Cricut's recommended settings, and I do recommend doing this and not skipping it, especially if you're using the Cricut Easy Press. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I cover the entire area. And that's it. So all you're going to do is fold it over just like so, and then fold it again and one more time, and there you have it. And now it's ready to go. How super adorable is this? And just like that, you guys can see how easy it is to whip up a couple towels, whether you're needing one for a Christmas gift, birthday gift, wedding, maybe make some for yourself. Who knows? They're super easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.